very important thing. Let me tell you people something. There are certain people you can no vote for. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
There are certain people you cannot vote for. Who will ever tell you to vote for Ephraim Wuzi? No, tell me, how? When you see Kelechi, you see Ephraim. Do you compare?
No comparison.
Do you compare?
No way.
So, there are some things we shouldn't say to you. You know yourself that Kelechi is in a different level. And when he goes to the House of Representatives, you will hear that somebody is representing Eche Omuma Federal
Constituency.
As it is today, do you ever think or do you feel that anybody representing Eche and Omuma Federal Constituency?
No way.
Have you seen him one day raise his hand to talk?
No way.
Have you even said, I support what they are saying?
No way.
My brother, we don't tire. We don't do anything.
Tire.
So, that one for Muma, we know. Even the Che people know here that Omuma is a good, Kelechi is a good candidate for the Eche Omuma Federal
Constituency.
Now, Eche people, let me tell you, and Omuma, the senatorial seat comprises of 8 local governments, right?
Yes.
You have Okrika, you have Ogubolo, you have Eche, you have Omuma, you have Ikwere local government, you have Emohua local government, you have Obiakpo local government, you have Port Harcourt local government, right? Now, we, from the Ikwere side, we have gone to Senate several times. And then Ogubolo and Okrika have gone several times. And we now say, listen, the only people that have not tested this is Eche and Omuma. Right? Now, we now say, look, Eche should go for Senate, is it not? That means House of Reps should come to Omuma. Not so?
Not so.
But apart from that, I don't know who they say, where he comes from. But as I entered here today, I asked them, where is this boy from? They say he's running Senate. They say from Omuma. I said, who is that? No. See, look, why do we make mistakes like this? Ask him, do we see? Where is he going to? Where is he going to? Individuals should know the job our senatorial candidate will send, not this kind of job. Maybe so?
Not so.
You can't send people you don't know where they are coming from and where they are heading to. Maybe so?
Not so.
How you go see Chief Oluwolo Yesu and you carry the bush one go put? Any comparison?
No comparison.
Our senatorial district, no be any and any senatorial district where me I come from. Now I say in the West Guinea, go where? Come, anybody where Sabiam. Because anybody where Sabiam, I go tell make him come about me. Not be me when we go to present there.
No way.
If we send the VC, people ask them, are you from Wike Senatorial District? What are you going to talk? They hold me. Chai.
No. How many them? Why we don't go with them? How many them? How many them? How many them? Why we don't go with them? How many them?
So that one be. Now, for the governorship, okay, assembly, I don't even preach. Now who go come here and compete with the Savannah's one go? Anybody?
No way.
Anybody?
No way.
So I don't want to preach that one, sir. Because that's what, as the election they start, they can't result, they announce them. Not be so.
Not so.
Not be so.
Not so.
Now, the governorship, you know, say, me, I really like to make promise. If I make promise, I will fulfill my promise. Right?
Yes,
Not be so.
Not so.
Now you see, so many people, they come talk. Ask them, what in they carry come tell on now? The one what they did before, what in they do for now?
Nothing.
They do anything for now?
Nothing.
Now, the money where they're supposed to develop Omuma and some other local government in the state, they shut up. Toye Cole and Yoga, they go share our money. My make, we don't charge them, go court. Because we're not going to allow anybody waiting for money to come follow backyard, to come take our office again.
No way.
Where they go take go sell our plane again as we go find our plane back. And I go agree?
No way.
And I go agree?
No.
I came here, I told you people I will do road. Did I do the roads?
Yes, sir.
Did I do the roads?
Yes, sir.
Now, that day I came to commission this road. I also made a promise. Not be so.
Not so.
Not be so.
Not so.
Now, as I speak to you, before I left to this place today, Kelechi can confirm that the Commissioner of Works called him, and I can speak to you. I have awarded the contract.
Talking I do.
So I said, it is this. What did you tell you? I think it's a berry at the Omakani Road.
Yes, sir, we can
So, my own, I have fulfilled my promises, and I can assure you, this road must be completed.
Yes, sir.
And that is why today we have come with our governorship candidate. He has told you what our theme is: consolidation and what? Continuity. They are going to consolidate on the good works we have done and will continue to do for the good people of Omuma local government. So, any of them that comes, tell them, what did you bring for us? Not be so.
Not so.
Any of them that come, Elehi Wetaram. Ask them. If you bring promise, you give them a
promise.
Not be so.
Not so.
When they said they will do, tell them say who will do too. Not be so.
Not so.
But when you bring project, you give them a
vote.
Not be so.
Not so.
As you bring project now, you give us a
vote.
As they bring promise, you give them a
promise. We get don't mind them.
So agreement is a
agreement.
Agreement is a
agreement.
Now, when you voted for us, we said we will do something. We have done it. Today, we have come to beg you again to still support us through Similaya Fubara, and will also do again for you.
Now, so,
do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
We have entered the first agreement. You did your own. We did our own. We are entering the second agreement. Do for us, we'll do for you.
Now, so.
Not be so.
Now, so.
If you fall for me,
I fall for you.
if you push me,
I push you.
if you like me,
I like you.
if you hate me,
I hate you. He may do many ways. He may do many ways.
So, the governorship candidate is being a technocrat. He's not the talking too much type. He's the one that when he says, this is what you will do, this is what you will do. He has worked with this government. He knows about this government inside out. And so there's nothing new as you vote for him in March 11, which is deputy. And in fact, to say it, this is the first time we're having two technocrats to be governor and deputy governor. A permanent secretary before, now a professor in the university, a former permanent secretary, a director of finance and administration, and accountant general of the state. So, what experience will anybody say that these two people do not have? So, I want to tell you that voting for them, the state will be safe in their hands. All these other ones don't have anything to tell you. You know, like some of them have said here, for a government that we have stood against severally, spoken out against severally, to publicly acknowledge that our state is the best in terms of infrastructural development. Is it easy? No. Is it easy? No. In spite of all fights, in spite of everything they have done to our state, we still came out strong. That tells you, when God is with you, nobody can touch you. No way. And nobody should be afraid of whatever is going on in the country. We cannot be intimidated. Nobody can take this land away from us. We are not second-class citizens to anybody. And we must continue to stand firm and make sure our state is protected. Now that you have known whom to vote, the other one, Kelechi, will return home. He will sit down and then go Nuku. Do you understand? Yes, sir. It is very, very important. You know, that one is in-house talk. Do you know what I mean? In-house talk. That time, we sit in a traditional hut. You eat what you are supposed to eat that time. And then the message will be smearing to you. That's all. So I thank all of you. And let me thank the Woman Council of Chiefs for this chieftaincy you've conferred on me. I want to sincerely thank you people. Ordinarily, me, I'm not a chieftaincy person, but I thank you for giving me. It will be in my museum. Chieftaincy, 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 chieftaincy. So sometimes too, I'm going to come and confer on you people. When you hear one bottle, you hear one. You know? So because the number of chieftaincy I have, I can't keep them all. So me too, as you come to visit me, I give you one. Amen. One visit, and you're going to give one. And then everybody will not get. So I thank all of you. But go home, make sure the remaining PVC, go and mobilize. Our power is the PVC. Our power is not the gun. Our power is what? PVC. If we are gathered here without PVC, then we don't have any power. So our power, we will use it well on the 25th of February. Yes, sir. And the 11th of March. That's where we'll use our power. Let me tell you, this election will not be like 2019, where they are using soldiers and using police. Far. It will not happen again. It will not happen again. Even though when they came downtown, we defeated them. Did we not defeat them? We defeated them. Now that they will not surface. Okwabala, carry go. Everything finish. They came out because they had the army. They had the police. We only have the people. Now that the police and the army will be sit down, look. Okwabala. Things have spoiled for them. Yes, so because their powers have been taken away. The power of the people have come. And it has come with us. And we shall use it. Yes, sir. To the glory of God. Yes, sir. Thank you.